Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. You may have noticed that the other day I recorded a video about a bit of an argument I got into in a supermarket. I'll put a link to that video at the end of this one. But basically what happened was a woman pushed in front of me in the queue, and I tried to give her the benefit of the doubt and, tried to imagine that maybe she hadn't realised she was queue jumping. So I had a polite word with her and pointed out that she was in fact queue jumping. But very quickly things got quite heated, they escalated, and before I knew it, the whole sort of situation had turned into a bit of a slanging match. A slanging match is basically an argument in which both people get angry and lose their temper and use uncontrolled language and insult each other. Actually, the way this whole thing ended was she paid before I did and walked past me looking very self-satisfied, saying, "I finished already." At which point I completely lost it and shouted down the supermarket saying, "If you go to the front desk, they'll give you a medal for queue jumping." Not my proudest moment, I have to say. Excuse me. You also hear about things like debates, maybe formal debates in Parliament or debates in schools or universities that degenerate into slanging matches and end up with everyone screaming abuse at each other. Maybe there are certain kinds of topics that you avoid discussing with people you know, because you know that as soon as you broach those subjects, the whole thing's going to end up in a slanging match. Maybe you've had the experience of inviting a couple of friends round for dinner, and as you're cooking and eating, they end up having a very public slanging match. And maybe you witnessed this week the surreal sight of President Putin, basically having a sort of one-man slanging match against the rest of the world. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use slanging match.